Hey everyone, my name is Nick. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to download and play Dragon Traveler right on your PC. So let's get started. First of all, to play this game on your PC, you have to download a special program, an Android emulator. In my case I use LD Player, but you can use another one, for example BlueStacks. To install it on your PC, go to a browser, type here the name of the necessary Android emulator, for example LD Player. Now go to their official website, and here you can easily download it just by clicking on this button. So after that, just run the installer, download it on your PC, and then you will find this LD Player icon on your desktop. After that, you will see this window. So firstly, you have to open up Play Store to install the game. Of course, you need to log into your account and then type in the search box the name of the necessary game. So just use this Android emulator as your phone. In our case, you have to type Dragon Traveler. Let's do it. And then you will see the necessary game. So click on it, and here you will see the install button. Just click on it to install this game on your Android emulator, and then after the installation you'll be able to open up this game just by clicking on play. So let's check it out. Okay, and yeah, now agreed, continue, and we can start playing this game. Yeah, everything works fine, so let's continue as guest. Quick login. And here's the game, so now you can easily play it right on your PC. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to How to PC channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.